Guys, we're going to do this so quick. As you can see right here, it says it's only going to take 1 minute. 1 minute is all we need in order to do this. Today's video is being sponsored by Indium91.com. Be sure to visit the website for all your graphic needs. Anything from digital to physical. What I'm going to do today is make a digitized Nike logo. First things first, when I say Nike, Nike is copyrighted, right? So what I'm going to show you guys right now today is only for personal use, right? You cannot make this stuff and sell it for any type of profit. Don't matter if you sell it for $1. As soon as you do that, it's illegal. You broke the law. You going to jail now. I'm just saying. So if you do something like that, that's on you. But let me show you guys how to do it right now. I said I want to make a Nike logo, so guess what my keyword is going to be? You guessed it, Nike logo. I think I want to go with this one. And as you guys can see, there is no background here at all. So that's perfect. So what I'm going to do, right click on the mouse, and we're going to save the image as, and we're just going to call it Nike logo. First thing I'm going to do is actually throw this image into the program, right? Just drag it and drop it. Now I'm going to click preview, and it's telling me that my image is large. So pretty much we're going to do it anyway because my computer is fast and can keep up. And it's going to go ahead and throw these nodes on here. That's what you call these. We can actually drag these down, you know, click on them. You can drag them down if you want to do some special effects, you know, like make, you know, people are into the little drippy drip. So that's kind of a cool little design, right? But for what I'm doing today, we don't need that. Now we also have the vector file that we created using Adobe Illustrator. Next up, we need to open up the embroidery program. And here it is, guys, the Nike logo, which is exactly what we want. We're going to do a little test here and press play, and we're going to see exactly how this stitches out. Pretty cool, guys, pretty cool. As you guys can see, it didn't take too long to actually stitch this out. And let's jump over to the machine and I'll show you guys how to stitch it out. As you can see right here, it says it's only going to take 1 minute. 1 minute is all we need in order to do this. I'll go ahead and load my hoop into the machine here. Let's go. All done. Now I don't know about y'all, but to me, this looks super legit. Check out these shoes right here. All we did was place a Nike logo on them. To be honest though, if you guys can see, these are actually Jordans. But, you know, if we want a little Nike symbol on the Jordans now, boom, it look official. We got the beanie over here too. As you guys can see right here, I went ahead and threw the Nike logo on this old pair of shorts that I got right here. Plain brand. Throw a Nike logo on them. Too official, right? Same thing with this hat, man. Check out this very plain looking hat. Threw a Nike logo on it. Boy, it looks official now. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Nate Matthews. I just wanted to throw something up on this channel for y'all real quick. I know it's been a minute, but that's because I got my foot in this pot, and this pot, and this pot, and this pot. You feel me? So I got to take a break from stirring over here and go start this one back up. You feel me? Make sure it stay warm and cooking up right, if you know what I'm saying. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been posting every day over there. You guys know a little bit more about what's been going on with me. And feel free to follow me if you guys want to. It's up to you. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to give y'all the opportunity to drop a comment below about anything, man. Just how's y'all day been going? How's your beard journey been going? What are y'all struggling with? What questions do you have for me? Because for me, honestly, for the most part, I just been maintaining my beard. As you can see right here, I just lined my beard up today. Same thing with the shaving my head. By the way, check out this the new shirt. It ain't even really a new design, but I finally decided to bust it out. You feel me? Link is going to be in the description for the t-shirt too. Shout out to all my new subscribers, man. This is your first video and you found it due to, you know, the embroidery. Welcome to this channel. This is the Beard Gang channel. And for those of you who actually been subscribed on this channel and wondering what you just watched, I want to invite you to hit the link in the description. Or matter of fact, hit the card that pops up and go over to my other channel. Feel free to subscribe over there. I do graphic designs and things like that. And that's what I meant by saying I have my foot in multiple different pots. So I'm just all over the place. And let me tell y'all, man, with this big old lens on this camera and holding this tripod and having my arm sticking out like this, I'm telling y'all, man, my arm is getting droopy, man. My arm is just, whew. So I'm gonna get on out of here, y'all, man. Just Catch you on the next one. Peace.